Hello, folks. How are you doing? My name is Claudio Oliveira Galon, and I will be I will be guiding you through the Physics 38 course this semester, spring 2024. I meant to record this video last week, but I couldn't do it. So I decided to do this week, and I'm gonna post that for you. This is just a little introduction of what we are going to do. I think it's a good thing that at least we have this so-called face-to-face meeting, right? It's not exactly live, but you'll be able to see me, and we'll be chatting a little bit about how we're going to do this course, okay? And let's start with the syllabus. I'm going to share the screen here with you. Okay, and we start with the syllabus right here. This is a Physics for Engineers and Scientists 2, Physics 38, spring 2024. I have been teaching this course for more than 20 years, okay? So basically I'm almost have everything by heart, how we do things in this course. At least 20 years. At least 20 years. I started teaching a community college in 2003, but before then I taught at the university in Puerto Rico. Okay, so at least 21 years doing that, and I have a pretty good mastery of this course. I think it's the most interesting one because it's one of the more difficult ones as well. I can tell you, okay? But also the most interesting one because it deals with the gadgets, the technology that we have today. If you want to understand the technological world of today, you have to understand Physics 38. Television, cell phones, all comes from Physics 38. The concept of Physics 38, okay? So here you go. Here's my name, Claudio Oliveira Galon. I'm originally from Brazil, and I moved to the States 1985. My email address is this one here. Here's the college email address, and here is my personal email address. This one is a preferable email address because I'm checking it all the time. My office hours is Monday from 12 noon to 1 p.m. and Wednesday from 12 noon to 12:45 p.m. In this Zoom link right in here, I'll leave the Zoom link open for you to access. The class is scheduled. No, we have asynchronous meetings, right? Asynchronous meetings this semester. So every now and then I'll be recording a video with you, but most of the time I'll be using videos of last year videos, especially the videos for the classes, for the topics, okay? Response policy, email communication 48 hours response time during business days, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Zoom link, okay, this Zoom link is the same. Well, we do not have lectures for this case, right? So I can erase that. Following link will be used for, I'm gonna take this one out. The textbook that we are going to use is the Haldane and Resnick, Fundamentals of Physics. Is a classic book in physics. This one. During my time, we used to use this book. And at that time, during Haldane and Resnick were the main authors. Now they added a Walker to the list of authors. We'll be going through chapters 21 through 33. This book, an ebook, is available in the Wiley Plus platform for your homework. And not just for the ebook, but also the homework that I want you to do. This costs around $69. This value here may be a little bit off, okay, because that's last year's value, but should be around that. I have posted a Wiley Plus flyer in Canvas with instructions how to access the ebook and the homework. Initially, they are gonna give you like a free trial period for 2 weeks. And then I recommend you that you purchase the access for the rest of the semester, and you're going to need this section ID, okay? Let's go there inside. In Canvas, both in Canvas, and here is the Canvas website for Physics 38 with a welcome. Here I have my syllabus version 2, number 2. Very soon I'll be updating it with version number 3. And the Wiley Plus flyer I'm talking about is this one here, which contains the instructions for you to access the website. You're going to need this course ID, course section ID. If you have any problems, please let me know. Okay, step 1, 2, and 3. Let's access this Wiley Plus website. Wiley Plus. I'm logging into my account. I want to show you the Physics 38 course. The book, Wiley Course Resources. The homework is already posted here for you. You have until the end of the semester to do everything, but I don't recommend that you do that. I recommend that you start doing right away, right? Let's take a look at Wiley Course Resources. Launch. Okay, I want to, here is the, let's take a look at the cover. That's the cover of the 12th edition. 12th edition. Okay. We are going to start in chapter 21, right here. Okay. So that's the book we will be using. And section ID is this one. You're going to need to access homework, textbook, right? And homework. For the homework problems, you need to follow the instructions of the Wiley Plus flyer posted in Canvas. You will need the following course section ID, which is the same as this one, of course. 5 units course, asynchronous course, prerequisites, completion of Physics 37 and Math 265. I also have my own lecture notes for this course. If you want to learn a little bit more, I do some things I do differently. I think it's better. They don't publish those things in books, so I had many things that I figured out are not published in regular books. So I posted that in my own notes. You can go to this link right here. Okay, that's my volume 3 notes, electricity and magnetism. It's not a requirement, but if you want to know a little bit more, you can go there. My class recordings are here, but don't forget, here's the class recordings of my YouTube channel. It's the genetic class recordings. We go right in here. You go. You go to my YouTube channel, right? But here you have, Physics 6, Physics 6. Say that you don't want to access the Physics 6 recordings. You want to access the Physics 38 recordings. Here, I see Physics 39, right? But if you want the easiest way to access those recordings is just to go to the Canvas page, okay? And go to videos, right? Video links. The links for week number 1 and 2 is this one. And this is the link for week number 3, right? Don't forget these videos were made like last year in 2023, spring 2023. And here you have the Here is the syllabus for the spring 2023. You can skip this part, right? What you see here is exactly what I'm doing right now. And then eventually I'm still covering the syllabus here. Eventually I stop covering the syllabus and we start with the material. That's the schedule. Okay, that's where we start here. So that is this quantity. Okay. So all the links that you need for the course is there in my Canvas website for the course, okay? Going back here. Physics 38 is the second course of a 3-semester calculus-based sequencing in introductory college physics. This course will explore the topic of electric charge, electric fields. Just like I said, this is the foundation for today's technological society. Okay, these are the course objectives. We have the learning outcomes, and I came up with a summary of links for you. Okay, homework and e-textbook link. 1, 2, 3, 4 different links. Lecture notes. I have my own lecture notes, like I mentioned, right? Here's the link for the office hours and the class recordings of my YouTube channel. But like I said, if you want to get the specific recording for the weeks 1, 2, 3, and 4, you go to Canvas. Okay, specific. I'm gonna put here between parentheses. Yeah. So like I said, if you want to go to my YouTube channel, this is the link. But you know, you're not going to be using this link. Or what you're going to do is you're going to go to Canvas to find out each specific material, the link for each specific material in my course, right? And that's the one I am talking about here. Okay. Grades are based on attendance, and I'm gonna tell you more. It's attendance to the office hours, okay? I'm gonna give you a little bit of a credit for coming by to my office hours. It's not a lot, but just to have a face-to-face meeting and get to know you, okay? And a lab report, right? The lab report comes from the other instructor. Your grade from the lab report is from the other instructor. Homework, partial exams, and the final exam. Attendance, the only attendance requirement for this asynchronous lecture is to attend at least 2 online office hours. Come by, you know, make sure you send me a message too, right? Look, I would like to come by office hours. I have some doubts, or just to say hi, things like that, okay? If your schedule conflicts with the schedule office hours, please let the lecturer, please let me know, okay? Please let me know, and I will schedule a time that's convenient for you. Also, please be reminded that attendance requires all labs, okay? Please check with your lab instructor. Homework. Oh, by the way, for this attendance, like 2 meetings, I am giving like 2% of the points, 2 points out of 100. For the homework is performed and submitted online using Wiley Plus platform, a computer software. It accounts for 10% of your final grades. Subscribing to Wiley Plus a requirement for the homework. Partial exams, there will be a total of 3 partial exams. The average grade of the partial exams accounts for 48% of your total grade. in the calculation of this average, I drop the lowest grade of the 3 partial exams, okay? You take 3 partial exams, I look at the grade of the 3 partial exams, I drop the lowest grade, and I take the average of the remaining 2 exams. Okay, and by the way, our exams are in Canvas. Then there will be a 24-hour window for you to complete this exam that's going to last 2 hours. The starting dates of this 24-hour window are displayed in the estimated schedule. The book chapter of this exam are listed in the schedule below as well. If there are any changes, I will contact the whole class either by email or through an announcement. Okay, the exam will be open notes, open book. However, you cannot have anyone next to you or online helping you with the solution of the exam. The window of the partial exam will start at 7 a.m. of the assigned date and will end at 7 a.m. of the following day. Okay, final exam is going to account for 25% of your grade. Failure to take the final exam will result in a F for the course. The starting date of the 24-hour exam, well, of the starting date of the 24-hour window of the final exam will be Tuesday, May 30th. Okay, let's take a look here. The schedule actually is May 29th. I gotta check, I gotta correct that. May 29th. 7 a.m. As before, the final exam will also be online using Canvas, and you must speak 2 uninterrupted hours within the 2-hour window to perform this exam. 25% right in here. At the date of the exam, make sure you take the exam at the assigned date within the 24-hour window. There are no makeup exams. If a school function or religious holiday conflicts with examination date, let me know. Notify me at least 1 week in advance so I can reschedule that for the whole class. Read a little bit here on academic and scientific misconduct, okay? That is this district academic dishonesty policy. I want you also to get familiar with it. The disability accommodation statement, if you are a special student, okay? You can get some additional help from the college. Title IX protects the students and staff alike from discrimination based on sex, includes sexual harassment and sexual assault. And here's the grading for the final grade, right? We're going to do all those activities throughout the semester: attendance, lab work, homework, partial exam, and final exam. If you ace everything, you get 100%, you get an A, right? If you don't ace everything, you know, there will be here the grade distribution between 90 and 100% is an A, B is between 75 and 89, and so on. Okay, what I want to show to you right now is this schedule of classes. We are here on week number 2. We are here on week number 2. Today is the 12th of February. I hope you have already reviewed the syllabus and introductions and start looking at the electric charge and force, at the video electric charge and force. And this week is going to be on electric field, and then Gauss's law and so on, right? The first exam is currently scheduled in 3 weeks, right? 6th of March, 1, 2, 3, yeah, 3 weeks and a half, 1, 2, 3 weeks and a half. A little bit less than 3 weeks and a half. And you should expect chapters 21, 22, 23, and 24. Don't forget the window starts at 7 a.m. March 6th. unless until the following day, March 7, you have the 24-hour window to fit your 2-hour exam there. Second partial exam, third partial exam, and the final exam. Okay, so I hope that helps, and let me know if you have any questions. I will see you during the office hours throughout the semester, okay? And send me an email if you need anything, okay? Thank you very much, and we'll be in touch throughout the semester.